How to make your Facebook profile private on Facebook application. So first you will need to open up the Facebook app and sign into your Facebook account. And then click on the three vertical lines on the top right. And then click on the settings icon. Now in the settings and privacy page, scroll down till you see audience and visibility and then click on profile locking. And from here you can click on lock your profile. Now once it's locked, it should redirect you back to your profile and tell you that you locked your profile and only your friends can see the photos, posts, and stories on your profile. And to unlock your profile, go back to the settings page and click on settings. Inside the settings and privacy, scroll down to audience and visibility, click on profile locking. And then to unlock your profile, simply click on the unlock button right here. And then click on unlock your profile. And now it should tell you that you have unlocked your profile and people should be able to see your photos, posts, and stories without necessarily being friends. And it also depends on the settings of your posts. And of course, if you set a post to be for friends only, nobody else should be able to see it except friends. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful and see you on the next one.